Hi, I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and apple season is upon us. I get asked often which variety of apple is best to cook with, and it's really hard to beat the Granny Smith. It's my all-around favorite for the kitchen. Great flavor with a subtle acidity, a deep, dense texture that allows for longer baking, makes it a great choice for pies and cobblers, and even baked on their own. For something different, I also like Fuji and Gala. A little less acidic, a little less dense, makes them perfect choices for galettes or even tarts. They cook a little quicker, so keep in mind with your recipe, don't let them go as long. Most people don't like red delicious or golden delicious, little too plain, little too common, but try them poached. Add a little cinnamon, a little star anise, and even a dash of cayenne pepper to jazz it up. Reduce that poaching liquid, serve over vanilla ice cream, and you've got a quick and easy dessert for your fall menus. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint.